Hi there, this is my latest bushcrafting knife. It's an MOD utility knife, army issue. Comes in this standard leather sheath. It has been slightly modified from standard issue. It's got a polished blade. The scales themselves have been sort of smoothed off to meet the tang. The normal issued sort of condition is the scales are slightly raised. I think the idea being that if you was to carry it barehanded in cold weather, your actual skin wouldn't touch the tang. Or it could be that if you was to use it with gloves, because of the ridges, it gives you better grip. The knife itself has got like a finger guard there. That's spot welded on either end. I know some modifications, people do take that top part of the guard off so they can sort of choke down on the knife to give a bit more control and do some sort of fine carving. I'm sort of glad it's there really for safety, because it does give you a bit of protection if anything was to slip. Another modification people do to make them a good bushcrafting knife is to cut a sort of semicircular divot out there so you can strike a ferro rod in there. This one's not had that done, which I'm quite glad, but I think it has had the spine ground back to 90 degrees, so you could use a ferro rod if you wanted to. You can tell it's an army knife, army issue. It's got the NATO number there. It was made by J. Adams, and I think it was constructed in 1999. You can see it's army issue because it's got the crow's foot emblem or broad arrow emblem that most tools and weapons and things like that belong to the army have on. There's a bit of controversy about the case. A lot of people moan about this sheath. It's mainly about this clip here. I mean, the construction people moan about it as well, but they think that this clip is in the wrong place. They think it should be further down. So if the knife was inverted, it would stop it sort of slipping out. It would only go to there. But it slips to there, but it's still probably about half, that third inside the sheath. It won't come out, so it's not going to go anywhere. I think the other way around. I think this clip here is more to stop things getting down the side of it when you're wearing it on your belt loop, to stop it snagging on fences, gates, your packs, your clothing, things like that. So I think it probably is in the right place for 99% of the time if you was to carry it on your belt. The odd times if you did find yourself upside down, it's not going to come out, it's still going to be retained, so it does both jobs. I feel if the clip was further down there, you'd have a gaping big gap there to trap everything from packs and, like I say, wire fences and everything. So I think on the whole that is in the right place. A bit controversial, I know, but I think it does make sense in the end.